What's up, beautiful babes, and welcome back to the channel. Your girl, Sweet Angel, of course. I hope you're doing well, and if you are, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Let me know you're okay. Drop me some hearts down in the comment section to let me know that you're doing good. Y'all, today I have a hair mask for you. Yes, this week we're going to be concentrating on self-care from head to toe. I got up earlier today and I colored my hair, and I thought, oh my goodness, it really needs some serious attention right now. You know, of course, bleaching your hair can cause a lot of drying, a lot of damage if you don't do some prerequisites to make sure you keep it healthy. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And if you're all about that life, go ahead, subscribe, hit the post notification bell so you'll be in the know each and every time I upload a good one for you. It's been a minute since I did this particular hair mask, so I'm excited to get back to it because it did my hair a whole lot of good. Please make sure you know your own particular kind of hair and know what you need to put on it. Don't do it just because I do it, but it certainly is fun to watch whipping up some great things right out of the kitchen. And that's exactly where I've been today, hanging out in the kitchen, because what I have for you is definitely things that you can find right inside the kitchen. Now, we oftentimes talk about the skin, the body, nourishment, things of that nature, but guess what? Your hair needs attention as well. And what better time to get serious about the hair since we're talking about self-care from head to toe, from toe to head. Let's do that this week. So what I have for you today, y'all, is a banana hair mask. Yes, just your sweet little tropical fruit, banana. The benefits of banana are not just limited to health, but also make an excellent beauty treatment as well. This tropical fruit is an effective beauty treatment for your skin as well as your hair. Bananas are great for your hair and scalp. They improve manageability and shine. They prevent and control dandruff and moisturize your scalp. Bananas are rich in potassium and natural oils, carbohydrates, and vitamins, which help to soften the hair and protect the hair's natural elasticity, preventing split ends and breakage. We're going to be using half of this banana, and you'll go bananas over what potassium can do for you. It's great for strengthening and thickening fine hair. Bananas nourish the scalp and hair follicles, help maintain natural hair elasticity, and prevent breakage and split ends. Not only the banana, we'll be making use of honey. We'll be taking 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey is a natural humectant and will add moisture and shine to even the dullest head of hair. Absolutely, it will. And we'll also be making use of sour cream. If you don't have sour cream, you can use yogurt as well. They are both good for an all-around DIY hair mask ingredient for regular maintenance and deep conditioning. Along with other benefits for strong, healthy hair, sour cream can accelerate growth in slow-growing hair. The protein content in sour cream provides ample nourishment and strengthening to the hair without making it dull or dry. And sour cream further aids growth by stimulating blood circulation thanks to its zinc and lactic acid properties. Did you know that sour cream also contains antifungal and antibacterial properties that help stimulate hair growth by acting as a natural cleanser? And if you just so happen to be suffering from an itchy scalp, thanks to cold weather and or dry air, the antibacterial benefits of sour cream for your hair will also help soothe the scalp and reduce itchiness. Let's go ahead and finish whipping this all up. So now we have it all mixed up. Let's go into the bathroom and go ahead and apply this and let it sit. Alright, so I'm in the bathroom with the hair mask. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and just take off my little head bunny thing here, and I'm going to go ahead and just apply with my hand. So there was just no easy way to do that other than holding my head over the sink or getting in the shower. And now I'm going to put on a plastic bag on my hair and let this sit for 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm just massaging in, making sure it gets to every nook and cranny in my hair. So that's what I'm doing right now. And then I'm just going to go hang out for a minute and let it sit. Absolutely. Self-care is so important. In the meantime as well, I'm going to go ahead and rinse that bowl out and get it ready for another treatment. You feel what I'm saying? So this is this part of it. I got to go get a plastic bag and I will be back. And y'all, this is gonna sit for a minute. Now let me get busy doing something else in the meantime. Okay, I'll see you back in a sec. Let me finish letting this absorb in my hair. Yeah. See you in a minute. Alright, I guess it's been long enough and I'm getting ready to wash this out of my hair. I'm going to hop in the shower. Yes, I am. And we're gonna head back to the bathroom to, you know, do what we do. Okay. All right, your girl is about to hit the shower. You cannot come in. This is what my hair is looking like right now. So y'all hold tight. I'll be right back. Okay. All right, it's been rinsed out of my hair. My hair is feeling, you know, I can't say it's feeling like real moist because I know I just did my hair color, but it is not dry, of course. But now I'm going to take my own little mixture of my, you know, castor oil, my hair products that I mixed up in here, and refill my little bottle, this one, and get ready to style my hair. Yeah, like so. Sure good. Shake those together. Squeeze it in my hand and put it on my hair. All right, y'all, hair feeling good right now. Hey, thanks so much for hanging out with me on this nice treatment, the banana hair mask. All the ingredients will be listed in the description box for you, along with links to where I purchased my items from. That's it. What an eventful little moment. Yes, indeed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all know what to do. Share your girl with your world. I'll see ya on the next one. Bye. Yeah.
Radiate, elevate, please subscribe.